Welcome to Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Have you ever tried using a piece of software that should be simple, but somehow it feels like it was designed to punish you? You're not alone. In fact, even professionals struggle with bad software design. It's not because they aren't smart enough. It's because some software is deliberately made harder than it needs to be. Take Google Cloud Platform, for example. At first glance, it looks like a well-designed system with a clean web interface, but the moment you want to do anything serious, you're suddenly forced into command line mode. If you're a network admin, system admin, or database manager, you might expect a straightforward way to configure a virtual machine, manage firewall rules, or set up a database. But instead of a clear menu, you get a long list of commands you're supposed to type manually. And even if you follow the official documentation, there's a good chance it's outdated, confusing, or just plain wrong. Some people defend command line tools by saying they're more powerful than graphical interfaces, and sure, in some cases that's true. But forcing users to rely on them when there's no real need? That's just bad design. Even experienced professionals waste hours looking up commands because nobody can memorize everything. Many of these tools aren't intuitive, and the documentation is often a mess. This isn't a user problem, it's a design problem. But there's another reason why some software stays difficult to use. Some developers, especially old-school ones, don't actually want things to be easy. They assume that because they understand it, everyone else should too. They don't see a need to make things user-friendly because they've already adapted to the complexity. And in some cases, they actually enjoy keeping things hard because it makes them feel like part of an exclusive club. Ever tried using an enterprise software system that looks like it was built in the 90s? That's what happens when software is designed for programmers, not for real users. The thing is, software is supposed to make life easier, not harder. Companies like Microsoft and Apple have spent years refining their interfaces to make them as intuitive as possible. But in the world of cloud computing and enterprise software, bad design is still everywhere. And if even network engineers and system admins struggle with unnecessary complexity, what chance does the average user have? At the end of the day, if software makes you feel stupid, it's probably not your fault. It's just bad design. That's all for today. See you in the next one.